There are numerous symptoms that we mistakenly believe have nothing to do with magnesium. But they do. Magnesium is linked to muscle cramps, difficulty sleeping, irritability, heart palpitations, constipation, headaches, migraines, fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue, high blood pressure, PMS, and irritable bowel syndrome. Whew! The body's fourth most prevalent mineral takes part in 700 chemical processes. Your body can literally stop functioning if you don't get enough of it. You can blame a magnesium deficiency if you constantly feel agitated or twitchy. But these are not all the telltale signs. In today's video, let's find out the warning signs that suggest you require additional magnesium. Do your hands and feet fall asleep frequently? You could be magnesium deficient. No cell in your body can live without magnesium. It ensures all cells operate properly. Research estimates that about 70% of Americans lack magnesium. This mineral aids in the body's nerve impulses. The RDA for adult men is 420 milligrams daily, while for women it's 320. Anything less than that can cause tingling or numbness. You'll feel as if tiny pins are poking the skin of your face, hands, or toes. According to research, a similar condition in diabetes called diabetic neuropathy often comes across as numbness, a tingling sensation, and hypersensitivity. There are many conventional treatments for this, but recently, scientists found dietary magnesium supplementation effective in reducing animal pain symptoms. This could stop diabetes from worsening. Magnesium can also alter your heart's functions in multiple ways. The first to show up is calcification in the arteries. Magnesium deficiency can lead to calcium buildup in the arteries, making you more prone to heart attacks, heart failure, and other cardiovascular diseases. When patients with heart attacks are reported to the hospital, doctors immediately inject magnesium chloride. Studies have shown the sudden supply of magnesium prevents blood clotting and calcification in heart attack patients. Who knew that something so simple could be a lifesaver? Magnesium deficiency can also make your heart beat faster or slower. Your body requires multiple electrolytes to control the electrical signals. Noteworthy heart-healthy electrolytes are potassium, sodium, calcium, and magnesium. Their levels are always in equilibrium when you're healthy. The muscle that makes up the heart needs optimal calcium and potassium supply to contract correctly. They help in the pumping action of the heart. Magnesium can alter calcium and potassium levels in cells to allow this. A lack of magnesium can result in decreased electrolyte levels, harming your heart muscle cells and disrupting your regular rhythm. An irregular heartbeat or arrhythmia is a dangerous cardiac condition arising from this deficiency. It may result in chest pain, dizziness, shortness of breath, or even fainting. Studies have revealed that persistently low magnesium levels might cause a fast or irregular pulse and even death. Treating this condition within 24 hours with magnesium can be beneficial. Is your blood pressure consistently on the higher side? You could blame it on a magnesium deficiency. Green leafy vegetables, unprocessed raw nuts, and seeds are a powerhouse of magnesium. Having a magnesium-rich diet can naturally lower your blood pressure. If your diet lacks magnesium, talk to your doctor about supplement options. According to a study, regular magnesium supplements could reduce participants' high blood pressure. Magnesium can increase its effectiveness if you already have blood pressure-lowering medicine, but don't wait to become hypersensitive. Start having adequate magnesium today to reduce your risk of hypertension in the future. Moving along, weak bones indicate a magnesium deficiency. Most people believe that only calcium is responsible for strengthening the bones, but in reality, calcium also requires magnesium to function correctly. The bones store 60% of the body's magnesium. Inadequate levels may hamper the healthy growth of the skeletal system. For this reason, it's crucial for kids and young people to consume a diet high in magnesium. This will also help create strong muscles to support your bones. Vitamin D is another bone-healthy nutrient that needs magnesium to activate calcium absorption. Magnesium is crucial as it controls how calcium interacts within your body. When you have enough magnesium, it draws calcium from the muscles and tissues into the bones. This explains how magnesium reduces the risk of osteoporosis and arthritis. Having enough magnesium for a week or two will not reverse this condition. You'll have to take magnesium daily for the desired results. Next up, muscle pain and cramping can also be red flags. Have you experienced those painful cramps in the leg during sleep? This could be pointing towards potassium deficiency. However, it can also indicate that you're low on magnesium. Fibromyalgia or painful muscles can occur in the feet, legs, and even eyelids. The muscles in these regions contract and make you feel stiff, heavy, or difficult to move. This usually occurs due to a greater flow of calcium to the nerve cells. Just like the calcification in the arteries, too much calcium can overexcite or hyperstimulate the muscle nerves. Athletes go for an Epsom salt bath containing mineral magnesium sulfate after a strenuous workout. A severe deficiency can cause tremors and even convulsions. Studies suggest that taking a magnesium supplement can ease cramps and twitches. This condition can worsen during pregnancy. Speaking of pregnancy, low magnesium can wreak havoc on pregnant women. Pregnant people focus on iron and folic acid supplements, but forget about magnesium. Low magnesium levels can harm the health and mood of pregnant people, so make it your go-to supplement in pregnancy. Doctors may advise you to start transdermal magnesium supplements if you have bad morning sickness. Additionally, magnesium during pregnancy might lessen muscle cramps and high blood pressure, ensuring the safety of the fetus. It also prevents preterm labor and hormonal headaches in to-be mothers. This mineral deficiency results in hormonal imbalances in non-pregnant women. Facing wild mood swings before and after your period? Those wild fluctuations are likely because your body lacks magnesium. Lower magnesium levels are associated with higher amounts of estrogen or progesterone in a woman's body. This hormonal imbalance can trigger menstrual cycle-related muscle cramps. Studies show magnesium supplements can rescue women with severe PMS cramps before the symptoms even appear. Next, have you been feeling a little off lately? A simple trick to lessen your blues is to find out what your magnesium intake is. Just like magnesium can relax your muscles, it can also relax your mind. Anxiety, stress, and depression can make you feel unlike your usual self. Additional low magnesium levels can cause personality changes like apathy, which is characterized by numbness and a lack of feeling, as well as delirium and coma. A meta-analysis discovered a link between low magnesium levels and a higher chance of developing severe depression and affecting your personality. GABA is a chemical in your brain that induces calmness. Low magnesium levels reduce GABA levels too, causing mental numbness, a lack of emotion, and a heightened sense of worry. Next, are you tired all the time? Are you constantly reaching for a cup of coffee, chocolate bar, or other energizers? Feeling tired even after having stimulant foods, getting enough rest, and getting a good night's sleep might indicate a magnesium deficiency. It is different from the occasional weariness. The chemical reactions that produce ATP energy in cells call on magnesium. Adenosine triphosphate, also known as ATP, is the primary energy source for cells. It has to bond to a magnesium ion to be useful for the body. Simply put, your body wouldn't have any energy without magnesium. When the magnesium starts dropping, it may reflect tiredness, poor energy, and lack of motivation. Don't hesitate to contact a specialist for persistent exhaustion. Vomiting or nausea are other non-specific signs of magnesium insufficiency. The uneasy sensations, frequently accompanied by the desire to be sick, could be an alarming sign, but it is typically a mild symptom and not everyone will experience it. A wide range of different medical issues causes nausea. While it's frequently linked to overeating and acid reflux, nausea can also happen during pregnancy, when traveling, as a complication of other illnesses, or as a side effect of other medical conditions. This symptom alone is insufficient to conclude that you might have a magnesium deficiency, so be watchful of other signs also. The next sign on our list is insomnia. Magnesium is the perfect mineral for relaxation. It aids in physical and mental relaxation to promote sound sleep. If you stay up at night due to your job or personal issues, it can change how your brain's GABA receptors work. It's the same chemical that we discussed a minute ago. The neurotransmitter GABA is responsible for the brain's ability to change to a restful state. If none of your better sleep strategies like melatonin, chamomile, and lavender work, you need to assess your magnesium levels. A magnesium deficiency can hamper the neurotransmitter GABA's production, putting you in a state of sleeplessness. Studies have shown that supplementing your diet with magnesium can improve sleep efficiency, time, onset latency, and early morning awakening. Next, remember to monitor your bowel habits closely. You should not disregard disruptions in your regularity. Your gut health is a key sign of general wellness. Magnesium helps with bowel movement. Constipation can be a sign of a magnesium deficiency. It could signify that your body needs more magnesium for a laxative effect. If you have fewer than 3 bowel movements in a week, consider magnesium supplements to ease the symptoms. Lastly, headaches can be a sign of low magnesium levels. It could be anything from faint tension to severe migraines. Migraine sufferers may develop a magnesium shortage because of a passed-down deficiency to absorb magnesium. If you're short in magnesium, supplements are very accessible, safe, and a reasonably priced form of treatment. Electrolytes are super important for your body. Just like magnesium, calcium and potassium deficiency could also be tricky to spot, but don't worry, we have your back. Check out these 19 signs you're suffering from calcium deficiency, or 8 signs you have a potassium deficiency. Go ahead, click one, or better yet watch both to learn what trace elements maintain your health. Do you have any symptoms of magnesium deficiency? Let us know in the comments below.